This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download PyCharm. So they describe it as the only Python IDE that you will ever need. That's quite cool. So I'm right here on the downloads page for PyCharm. You can find it right here. It's kind of an unwieldy URL, so I'll include that URL as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up here. Now, it will identify what OS you have, what operating system you're on. It's correctly identified I have a Mac OS. So I would go with this Apple Silicon version right here, where you can hit the drop down and you can go for the Intel chip if you so desire. So they've got two different versions for Mac right there. Now there's Windows version if you have Windows. You can go with the ARM64 or just the standard vanilla version. That will be the .execute file right there. There's also a Linux version as well. They've got a couple of different Linux versions. For other versions, you can check out system requirements there if you really need to. Installation instructions as well, but other versions, if you click other versions, there's a ton of different versions here, dating back to, looks like 2016 or even earlier. And you can find your exact version if you have any kind of compatibility issues or so on and so forth. So Mac OS version, like I say, I have a Mac, so I will go with this Apple Silicon version as that's a chip that I have, and I will now just click download. And just like that, we're redirected and we see the universal flying up icon in the right hand corner, which is the universal symbol on a Mac for something that's been downloaded. So we're on this page now. All that's left to do is find the installer depending on your browser. I'm on Google Chrome, so it goes directly to my downloads folder, but your browser configuration might be slightly different. Your downloads location might be in a different place. You will just find the installer, follow the steps from there. That's the easy bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download PyCharm useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.